Good morning, boys and girls. So today for our science, we're going to work on lesson 3. How does the sun seem to move? So we're going to look at the sun in different parts of the day. And let's look at this picture. It says, is the sun in the same place in each picture? So look at this picture. Morning, noon, and evening. Is the sun in the same place in each picture? So here's the sun in the morning, at noon, and at the evening. So no, it's not in the same place, right? Which picture shows where the sun is at lunchtime? Well, that's noon, right? Around noon, around 12 o'clock. All right, I'm going to read what it says and then we'll answer some more questions. The sun looks low in the morning sky, right here. The sun looks high in the sky at noon, right here. The sun looks low in the evening sky, which is here. Now, we're going to talk about why the sun is in different parts of the sky during the day and in the evening. So, in the morning, the sun is low because it is rising, right? It is rising. And at noon, it's at the highest that it will be during the day. Okay, because the sun is moving as the day is going by. And that's when it's around the hottest time, right? Around noon, 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. And then as it starts to get later in the day, in the evening, the sun starts going down, right? Because it's going to get ready to set. So, does the sun look high in the sky all day long? No. It looks low in the early morning, like we went over. Okay? And then it gets higher, right, as the day goes by. And then it has to come back and get low again so that it can set during evening time. Okay, you look up at the sky and the sun is high in the sky. Could it be early morning if it's high in the sky? No, because the sun is low in the sky in the early morning like we see here. All right, last question and then we'll go to our activity page. How is the way that the sun looks in the early morning, right here, like the way that it looks in the early evening? Okay, so in the early morning it's here, and in the evening it's here. How does it look the same? Well, it's low, right? They're both low in the sky. How is it different though? How is this sun from the early morning different from this sun in the evening? Well, the sun is in a different place in the sky in the morning than it is in the evening. And in the morning, it's like really, really bright, right? And it has a lot, it's a lot brighter in the sky. And in the evening, the sun, you can see its shape a little bit more because the rest of the sky is a little bit darker. So, let's turn the page. Let's look at our activity page. All right, so our activity page. Okay, how does the sun seem to move? Now you're going to draw for this page. It says here, draw the sun, show the sun in the early morning sky. So if you remember how the sun looked in the early morning, right? It was low. And then it says, draw the sun, show the sun in the sky at noon. Remember, it was high. And then draw the sun in the early evening sky. So remember what it looked like there. So you can go back and look at the previous page. But try to remember on your own, if you can, what the sky looks like in the morning, at noontime, the hottest part of the day, and in the evening. And then when you're done working on this page, take a picture of it and send it to me. Okay, good job, boys and girls.